The toy figure packaging trend is taking social media by storm. On March 26, 2025, OpenAI officially launched the Images in ChatGPT feature, allowing users to turn themselves into customized toy figures. Just like Barbie, Lego, or superhero collectibles, you only need a selfie, a few props like books, coffee, a laptop, and a detailed English prompt describing your style, hobbies, or job. Within 30 seconds, ChatGPT will generate an adorable, ultra-realistic image of you inside a toy box. Office workers, chefs, gym bros, photographers, everyone is jumping on the trend to showcase their unique personality. Many even use these images as profile pictures, gifts, or portfolio highlights. While other AI tools like Google Gemini 2.0 Flash or XAI Grok offer similar features, creators say OpenAI's version feels more emotional and lifelike. Pro tip: write a clear prompt. Include details like your profession, color themes, accessories, pose, and visual style: cyberpunk, retro, minimalist, anime, etc. But be careful. Experts warn that uploading personal photos to AI platforms may lead to data being used for model training, risking your privacy. There are also ongoing debates about copyright ownership of AI-generated content. Have you tried this trend yet? Drop a comment below, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more viral tech trends.